ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? My name is R. Prahallada from Bangalore rural district. We selected the model experiments through the origami method. It will be useful for mathematics and for fun. First of all, we take the one model with fun, and that is it is useful for mathematics also. Origami ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ವಿಧಾನ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮಾದರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ನಗೆಯಾಗವಾಗಿ ಬಳಸಬಹುದು ಮತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನು ಗಣಿತಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬಹುದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ 5 ವಿಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಮಾದರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಶೇಪಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶೇಪಿಗೆ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಎರಡನೇದು ಕೋನಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು 3 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾದರಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಗಣಿತವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ವರ್ಗವಾಗಿ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಮೂಲೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೂಲೆಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಒರಿಗಾಮಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಡಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ಮಡಕೆ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾದರಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಶೇಪ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಶೇಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಗಣಿತವನ್ನು. ಇದು ವರ್ಗ ಆಯಿತು. ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ವರ್ಗದಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯ ಮಾದರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸಹ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಮಡಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಸೂತ್ರವನ್ನು ಸಹ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮೂಲೆಯ ಎಡ್ಜನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಅಡ್ಡವಾಗಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಎಡ್ಜು ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮನಾಗಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಮಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವರ್ಗ ಮತ್ತು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವರ್ಗಗಳು ಉಂಟಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಎ, ಇದು ಬಿ ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ಸ್, ಬಿಗ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಎ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಬಿ ಆದರೆ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟು ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸೂತ್ರ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2ab ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2ab, ab ಪ್ಲಸ್ ab ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2ab ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಬೇರೊಂದು ಆಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಾಗ ಇದು ಸ್ನೈಲ್ ಬೋಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಆಯಿ ದೋಣಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮಾದರಿ ಆಕಾರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋನಗಳನ್ನು ವಿಭಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, I hear, I forget, I see, I remember, I do, I learn. This is the proverb of the Chinese one. That's the fundamentals of the origami means. Ori means to fold, gami means paper in Japanese. It will use Spain, Japanese and other countries also. Nowadays, India also have model schools for origami. It introduced other lower classes. And then this is a square. It will convert it into circle. This is a circle model. In a circle, we demonstrate center of the circle, radius and diameter of the circle. Radius is equal to d by 2. The r d is equal to 2 r is equal to ಸೂತ್ರವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ವೃತ್ತದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಗೋನಲ್ ಬೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. This is also funny, but it has some mathematical idea about hexagonal bowl. 6 inner hexagonal bowl and outer hexagonal bowl. It will use for this is the one method. And then we use the circle to Dvipa lamp. We will do the lamp also. This is the circle converted into circle method. And then this is the David star. It is used for fun also. And then next one is Kingfisher. This is a model of Kingfisher. You learn this model. Number of triangles and angles are formation. And next one is, yes, I will explain. This one is, this is the colorful model for a plus b whole square. This is a small square, this is big square. It is rectangle. This one is rectangle. This is the base of the rectangle. we get a plus b whole square formula. And then this is H model. It will also fun, but we have some mathematics. This is a 90-degree angle is divided into bisection of the angles we learn. This is divided into 22.5 degrees. Each angle is equal to 90 degree. And then this is an aeroplane. We get so many angles are there. And this is a bird model. This is a bird model, and we learn it from all the types of angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, and more than 100 degree also. This is one of the simplest model called Frisbee. Frisbee. We take square and hold it in reverse order. We learn some 7 squares we have. This is the locking system of the Frisbee. Okay, this is locked. We use these 7 squares to complete model octagon. This is an outer layer of the octagon and inner layer of the octagon. We have this angle is equal to 128 degree 0.57, 128.57 degrees each one octagon. And this is one strip of paper. This is one strip of paper. We knot it one knot. We get pentagon. Pentagon, we will write it on the blackboard with the help of 72 degree. Without 72 degree, we cannot write the pentagon on the blackboard. Yes, you get the face of the one face of the dodecahedron. This is called origami method. And there are 3 types of boards are there. One is normal board, and another one is square board, Katti board or pen board, and then third one is double board. We have some mathematics in the board. This is unfold the board. I get so many right angle triangles and squares inside the model, and we consider one of the right angle triangle. We get this type of Pythagoras theorem inside the board. This is the heading. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the squares of the other 2 sides. That is called the Pythagoras theorem. This is a board system, and they use the short board to application of the Pythagoras theorem. And then another important model, we approximate pi value find by the Aryabhata, approximate value of this one. We hold it in the square form. We take 28 centimeter the square, 28 centimeter length of the square. This one is, we cut it this type. Each side have 5.5 centimeter. This is 16 parts. Into 16 parts is equal to 88 by 28, that is equal to 27 by 7. Concept of the pi value to teach to the children. And then one last is 3-dimensional from 2-dimension. 3-dimension from 2-dimension. First one is, these are the platonic solids. There are 5 solids in the world or regular polyhedrons in the world. If you compare to the that one Panchabhutagalu, fire, air, water and earth, universe. Compared to this one, we get, this is the 5 models. These are the working models in mathematics. We have only science is the working model, but not this is the working model in mathematics. We will take the equilateral triangle spaces, or this is one strip of paper. We fold it in some middle of the paper and edges to middle paper. We get the so many right equilateral triangles, we get this one. You have we code this one into shape of the tetrahedron. These are the three models. We cannot write it on the blackboard with the chalk piece. Only we write 2 dimensions. Without space or blackboard, we have some technology called hologram. It will be developed by laser. But we get the 3-dimensional models to the children. They will learn Euler's formula and do the Euler's formula for this one. Tetrahedron have 4 faces, 4 vertex, and 6 edges is there. That is called A plus B is equal to E plus B is solved. And then this is a hexagonal form of model. It is also 3-dimensional form. You take 2 strips and both intersect one another. We get the hexagonal model. It will helpful to the children to learn the faces, edges and vertices. This is called octagonal 3-dimensional model. It will also 2 strips and it insert the one another. We get the same type of octagon model. This is also for useful to the students to learn something. 8 faces, 6 vertices and 4 edges. This solve the A plus B is equal to E plus 2. And then this is dodecahedron. Dodecahedron will form with the help of strips formation, pentagons. These faces were pentagon. With all the faces equal in angles and sides. This is called pentagon. And then icosahedron. Icosahedron have 20 faces, 12 vertex and 30 edges. It will be useful for students to learn with the model. That is why. And then we get the graphs also. These are the graphs of the models. This is graph of the tetrahedron and this is graph of the hexagon. This is graph of the pentagon, octagon and dodecahedron graph. It will also have some one formula for it is also Euler's formula. N plus R is equal to A plus P. N means nodes, regions and arcs of the model. This is the we use these models to recognize the edges, vertex and other things. And the pupil will learn something creativity about this model. And then teacher also create the students to motivate to learn the mathematics easily. They will understand and funny. They will learn to accept the mathematics in the classroom also. Thank you.